As many of you know, Jordon and Melissa knew each other growing up. Their relationship started with a strong foundation of friendship until one special moment on St. Patrick's Day, exactly 7 years ago today, when they shared their first kiss. Love is a quality of spirit and an attitude of the emotions. But a marriage is a life's work. Therefore, this is an occasion of both profound joy and great responsibility. We who partake in it bind ourselves as witnesses to the labor of love they are undertaking here today. To know that marriage has a high spiritual purpose is to be willing to bear the sufferings that lie along its path. However, it is also to rejoice and be glad, to bask in companionship of the person who delights you. For marriage, as a spiritual enterprise, is also in essence about joy. It is joy that brings us to marriage, joy that inhabits its happiest moments, and joy with which we shall contemplate it when our lives end. Jordon and Melissa have chosen to write their own vows that they will exchange at this time.
You go first?
You're going first.
Okay.
Or you could have had like a heart attack and just cut out the middle, man.
On April 1st, we had the most amazing gift I could have asked for. Riley Ann and Paisley Jane were born, and we became parents of 2 beautiful children. Melissa, you are the strongest mother I know of. I'm truly thankful for everything you do, and I love you to the moon and back.
Jordon, when we met each other for the second time almost 8 years ago, I never imagined this is what our future had in store for us. You became my best friend and my person when I needed someone the most. I knew then that I could always count on you and needed you in my life forever. You never gave up on me no matter how hard life got. I promise to always be there for you no matter how difficult the situation may be. I promise to always support you and your ventures, even your love for fishing, no matter how much it drives me crazy at times. I will always be your biggest supporter and best friend.
Melissa Ann, I promise to love and cherish every moment, protect our family through struggles and hardships, and be the husband you deserve. You are my true love, and I'm very excited to start this amazing life with you.
By the authority vested in me by the state of New York, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jordon, you may kiss the bride. Oh, and I vow to always grab your butt no matter how old we get.